Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at the new update on WhatsApp. Yes, this time we shall be looking at this new WhatsApp status update. So I will need you to pay attention, follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now once you open your WhatsApp and then you click on update, you can see your WhatsApp status are now in a horizontal order. Others too are seeing theirs in a vertical order. Now this is because I'm following a channel over here, so you can see the channel that I'm following over here. Now this is because there is a new update and WhatsApp has made it in just a way that once you open your status, you can see your status over here and you can see your channels over here. Now for it to go back to its original, or like the old one that we were using, just unfollow any channel that you are following. So just unfollow any channel that you are following and you can see my status is now back to the old ones. So but once you follow any channel over here, it will just come to this place and you can see now my status is back to, and you can see they are appearing over here. So you can see status and now the channel that I just followed over here. So now it has been divided into two. So you can see the first one is your status and then the second one is your channel. So this is very simple. It is a new update and this is not any problem. If you want it to appear like the old ones, all you need to do is to make sure you are not following any channels on your WhatsApp status. I hope this video is very helpful. Follow for more.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video